In order to capture your reader's attention, you might want to add in some visual reference onto your document, but if you don't want to be too fancy, then you can just add in a horizontal line. So over here you can see that I got a quotation, and to add in a horizontal line over here, I'm going to press enter and then I'm going to click on insert, click on horizontal line. And a line has been added in right there, as you can see. I can simply go over here, press enter, going to go to insert horizontal line. There's a horizontal line added. So you can see that it's now more visually interesting just by adding in those lines. There's no specific way to change out the width and height of the line right here, but if you select this out and then go into, let's say, the background color, the highlight color, you can choose around a color over there as well, just like this, as you can see right here. Does not look very pleasing in my case, but if you do want to add in a color right there in the horizontal line, you can do so just like this. So you can choose something like a light color right here, just like that, to draw in visual attention onto this as well. You want to delete out the horizontal line, you can simply click and drag it right over here and press the delete key, and the horizontal line will be deleted just like any old regular text, as you can see right there. When you add a horizontal line right here, just like this, it moves on with the other document just like that. So it is very easy to control that out. And that is how you can work around with horizontal line inside of your Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe